It says the question A is, what makes me a big brother? Listen, what makes me a big brother? Man, before you. Really? I figured. Before you even thought of it. I always have a daughter, depending on who you are. I'm in this truck, man. I went to our daughter, your daughter, in the shack. You say smack. You say give it back, Jack. You say, what makes me God? Well, what makes me God? God, I'm not God. I'm God witness. I'm a witness to God. Yeah. Tell me your name? No. Mama? Yeah. My God name is Low. My God name is Low. My God name is Low. You say Lord. You write the words wrong. It's not Lord. Huh? Uh-huh. 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 Because you better not say a name now. That's why you say Lord. So that ain't respect. Yeah. I don't know why. Common sense. Common sense. If you had a mother with a quicker hand than a talk, quick to knock your ass out and explain about it later. What? That's right. Don't be looking down back there.